Hey guys, so this is just a little video on how to get a modded version of the game LYSSA Goddess of Love. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually get unlimited gems and coins. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. And let's see if our gems and coins start increasing on the game. So hopefully they do increase, guys, because then that would mean that this actually works. So let's see if they go up. And currently there's no change. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. Works for iOS and Android, so this is super cool. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So the first thing we have to do is go to our browser and just go onto this website, which is called tweakmod.com. So this is the website right here. So just type in LYSSA Goddess of Love and press install. And before it downloads, there's going to be verification. So this is the last step. You download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. But yeah, this will install the mod into your device. So it's pretty simple. So you guys should be all set. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's see what happens, because I know a lot of people that are not even like understanding how to get a mod. So I just thought I could share it with you guys. So as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download some of these apps. So as you can see, we got like Underdog, Down and Run for 30 seconds. So I could do that one. I could do Travel Town. You got to reach level 9. Carnival, you got to reach level 5 on this one. So just do 2 of them, guys. Then you will have the LYSSA Goddess of Love mod. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.